The Rode Wireless Go is a wireless microphone and transmitter package that offers high-quality audio over a wide range of applications. To connect your Rode Wireless Go to the Yamaha Stagepass 1K, you would need to do the following. Step 1. Turn on both the Rode TX transmitter and RX receiver. To do this, push and hold the power button on each one for 3 seconds on each. Step 2. Plug in the included 3.5mm or TRS plug into the receiver. It is the one that has the LCD panel on the front. Step 3. Plug the other end of the 3.5mm or TRS plug into the Yamaha Stagepass 1K into the line in under the ST input. Be sure the Yamaha Stagepass 1K is powered on. For a sound check, move the master level to the midway point and then adjust the ST line level while talking into the Rode transmitter. When you hear audio, continue to adjust the master level to a 3/4 level and then adjust the line level to a desired volume. This will vary based on the venue or space you are in. If you have any additional questions on this process, contact the ITS service desk. Thanks for watching!